Guys, today our lesson is how to think in English. This is a question or a problem. So if you are facing this kind of type problem, so this video is for you. Okay, so let's start our lesson. So guys, you need to understand thinking or in mind. This is a process. Okay, so whatever you think or whatever comes in your mind, you can speak easily, but your mind is not working, your mind is blank. Whatever you want to speak, okay, whatever you want to speak, that is processing of thinking. Okay, so first, without thinking you can't speak. So if you want to speak fluently, and you have to think multiple times, multiple time, and repeatedly also. Okay, so now I talk about how to think in English. Okay, if you are watching this video, I'm sure you are a non-native speaker. Okay, non-native English speaker. Okay, so if you are non-native speaker or you want to speak like a native speaker, okay, so then you need to understand thinking in English. But without thinking, you never speak English fluently. Okay, so now let's talk about how to think in English. So guys, thinking is a process. This process going on in our mind. Okay, first you need to train your mind to think in English. But whenever you think, okay, so this is processes it starts from your learning skill. Okay, whenever you learn English words, okay, whenever you learn, then you think in English. You close your eyes and you think in English. Okay, so whatever you learn, okay, English words, okay, I'm talking about only English words. And whenever you learn English grammar rules, okay, English grammar rules structure, okay, so without sentence structure, whatever you speak, you can speak wrong completely. But without knowledge, without sentence structure knowledge, you speak wrong. Okay, but you don't want to speak wrong. You want to speak right English with consistency or fluently. Okay, so for speaking a good English, you need to understand practice of thinking in mind English words. Okay, so English words, thinking processes, you think English words in your mind. Okay, so like you want to learn a new word. First, you find a new word, and you go to Google, and you search, you type Google, and like your new word is extreme. You write on Google extreme word, new phrases, new sentences, extreme words related new phrases. Okay, so whenever you type on Google this word, okay, so you find multiple types phrases, sentences related extreme word. Okay, so that time you read those phrases more and more, and you think in your mind, you think more and more multiple times. Okay, so when you think multiple times extreme related phrases, extreme word related sentences, you think more and more. But this is very simple process, but you don't know about this process. This process is very simple, very simple. Okay, I want to tell you per day you find 5 English word. You go to Google, type this word related phrases, 10 phrases, 20 phrases, okay, and read those phrases multiple times, read more and more, and think more and more in your mind. Close your eyes and think whatever you learn, Okay, so you think more and more in your mind. This is simple process. If you do this process multiple times, like 10 days, 15 days, and a month, okay, so after 1 month, okay, your speaking fluency, your thinking process automatically improved. Okay, automatically. You don't want to do other thing. Okay, you do this process only. This process is very simple. You use this tip. This is very useful for us, because all people are using this kind of type tips. But this is very important thing. I think you have learned this tip, but you don't know what is this adject. Okay, so guys, if you have any kind of doubt related to this tip, so write in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, and subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.